Hi, all you lovely people. A very good day to all of you all. आज मेरा टॉपिक थोड़ा अलग है, स्लाइटली डिफरेंट, बट वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. कि हम आदमियों को पूरा दिन सुबह से रात तक औरतों की जरूरत होती है. वी मेन नीड विमेन थ्रू आउट द डे इन डिफरेंट वेज. सो हियर आई स्टार्ट. Basically, 24 hours in a day, we are in search of different women. First, Vidya. Vidya is education. Then the second female is Lakshmi, wealth. And then it is Shanti, that's peace. From dawn to dusk, we are at work, earning for our food. So Usha se Sandhya tak, we are looking for Annapurna. At night, we want to sleep and get into beautiful dreams. निशा में हम निंदिया अपनी लेते हैं और सपना देखते हैं. Now whether we read the main Hindu mantra which is Gayatri mantra, or we read the great epic Gita, or we do any puja, aarti, shraddha or any vandana, we are still with woman even while we are praying. Now if we are in the dark, we want light, jyoti. If lonely, we want prema, sneha, that's love, friendship. Now if we are on the battlefield and we are at war, we want victory, that's jaya. When we are old or we are growing older, we want sympathy, love, karuna, mamta. Now all those who are angry with us, we want forgiveness from them, shama. I hope you understood my bhavna. So basically, it's a woman's world. Coming back to where we were, कि ये जो औरत बनाई है भगवान ने, इसके बिना आदमी का गुजारा नहीं है. It's very important for him, whether it's in the form of a wife, whether it's in the form of a mother, whether it's form of a friend, anything, any relation that you can. But उसके बिना गुजारा नहीं है. Now this has been a very tough year, very very tough year for us, and definitely आदमियों ने तो देखिए जो किया, जो कर सकते थे वो किया, but end of the day, women used to get some time for themselves. When the man used to go out, children used to go to school, they used to get some time for themselves, maybe take a nap, maybe sleep. लेकिन 8-9 महीने से 10 महीने से life has not been normal, and we have been sitting on the lady of the house के सर पे जैसे बैठ जाते हैं हम लोग, और बच्चे भी बैठे हुए हैं. So basically 24 hours round the clock, these women have been doing something or the other for the family, for, you know, you can imagine what they must be going through, because they don't get even those few hours that they used to get. So we men, we people around the world, guys, in some way, try and if not anything else, कम से कम उनका हाथ बटा दें, थोड़ा प्यार कर लें, उसकी इज्जत कर लें. चाहे वो आपकी माँ हो, चाहे वो आपकी वाइफ हो, आपकी बहन हो, आपकी बेटी हो, आपके दोस्त हो, आपकी सहेलियां हो, आपके रिश्तेदार हो. Let's do something good for them. And if all of you all have heard me well from the beginning, let's buy something for all the females in the house and gift them with something for whatever they have done for us. These last 9 months have been very hard all over the world. आप चाहे देख लीजिए, चाहे पुलिस फोर्स हो, चाहे नर्सेज हो, चाहे डॉक्टर्स हो, कितनी, I mean, women all over the world in some way or the other have always, you know, and now especially the housewives who have been inside locked for months. So let's do something for them to get a smile on their face, guys. I know my topic has been very different today, but you know, जो भी दिल में आता है आप लोगों से शेयर कर देता हूँ. आप लोग ही तो हो मेरे. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys. Thank you.